Alright, we're at Clark's in Cass Lake, Michigan, and we are looking at our work that we have finished. We have redone this entire pool, and we installed obviously LED lights in the hot tub and in the pool. There's two on the wall that shine across the wall. That really makes a difference with the two lights to make the watercolor really shine brightly. We also installed LED lighted waterfalls, as you can see here. The water comes out and there's LED lights underneath, and it lights up the water. The darker it gets, the more you see the light. And then the flame you see in the background there is firebowls. We put in gas lighted firebowls. And that's coming off the pool next to it. And these firebowls that are specially made, they're ceramic, cement firebowls. And we put them on these pedestals. Built those up, and the gas line comes up there from the house. There's the pool in beautiful blue. You got the hot tub back there, changing colors. You can make all the lights do different colors or put them all on the same colors. It's really pretty, really gorgeous. And then you have the fireplace back here on the lake, in case you start to get a little chilly. And then they have all this silver travertine coping. Kind of looks like Italian marble. It's really, really beautiful and durable. It doesn't soak up a lot of water. We are in Michigan and we don't want things to freeze and thaw.